Today we'll take a look at a tool called Follow Me. I think you'll enjoy this. You can see I've got an upright rectangle here, just a flat screen to draw on. I'm going to use my line tool. For this first one, I'm just going to draw a basic shape. I'm just going to start on the edge down here, and as long as it says on face, I'm fine. I'm just going to put a couple of lines on here, and then come back up here and finish it. And I'll use my selection tool and get rid of this stuff over here and erase these lines. Just kind of clean that up so all you've got is the shape. Then I'm going to grab my circle tool and I'm going to draw a circle on the ground. And I want my circle to have the same center point as this spot right here, this vertex. This line is going to be our axis. That'll make sense in a moment. So circle. And I want my circle to be the blue, the laying on the ground, so I'll use the up arrow to lock that into place. Get on that end point, click, and stretch out my circle so it's bigger than the shape I drew. Next, I'm going to select the circle, just click it one time. Over here on these tools, about halfway down is your push-pull area. The second tool is called Follow Me. Click Follow Me, and then click this shape one time. Sometimes it doesn't do it right away, so again, click on that shape, and then click this with Follow Me. And what you should get is a very fun little shape. What it did was it took that axis, let me do undo, took this axis right here, and it spun everything else all the way around it. So again, first with your spacebar tool, click the circle one time, then click your Follow Me tool, and then click the shape you drew. Now, if you are at all creative, this brings up lots of possibilities. For example, what if I want to draw a balloon? So again, I'll start with a rectangle that is upright. And I just want to draw a basic silhouette of half of a balloon. I might use the arc tool for this. Remember, it's a single click up there to start the arc. It's a single click down here, something like that. Make sure it's on the face. And then I'm going to zoom in. And let's see, this might look like that. And then maybe it finishes off with just a line, something like that. Okay? So basically I did two arcs. One big arc, one little arc going the other way, and then a line. Again, I'll get rid of all of this. Eraser. You're probably better at your eraser tool than I am. Sometimes I think mine's... There we go. And I've got one up here. Very good. Okay, so again, my axis is this straight line here. So my circle needs to start at that point. So C for circle, make sure it's blue. Stretch that out. Zoom out a little bit. So again, the steps are spacebar first, click the circle. Go over here, choose Follow Me, then click the silhouette. If it doesn't work the first time, you might get something like this going on. If that happens, just undo it. Again, click the circle, click Follow Me, click the shape. Okay? If it doesn't work the first time, that's okay. Just undo it, try it again. And then, of course, if you want to, you can get down here and just get rid of those circles that served as your base. Okay? We're going to make several shapes today, including these two, a cup, a trash can, and some steps around a platform. I'll put those in another video.